Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Frank.
And this is Ekko.
Ekko is a revolutionary new audio device that enables your existing headphones or speakers to receive wireless, hi-fi audio from any source. Each user simply takes a battery-powered sound puck from the base station and plugs in any pair of headphones. The result? Instant, hi-fi quality wireless audio for the whole family.
Most wireless headphone systems are bulky and expensive, and often designed for only one user. We designed Ekko because we believe everyone should be able to use their headphones or speakers to enjoy a phenomenal wireless listening experience. Ekko is specifically designed to accommodate multiple users. Up to 4 or more can listen together at the same time. Its built-in Wi-Fi technology delivers high-quality, ultra-low latency sound for a real-time listening experience. It's perfect for movies, music, gaming, and more.
Ekko delivers a highly customized listening experience that's designed to fit each user's preference. Each sound puck has individual volume controls, while the Smart Mobile app controls equalizer settings, streaming settings, and more. It even has parental controls like volume limiting to help ensure safe listening for kids.
We designed Ekko because we wanted to create a high-quality, social, wireless listening experience that our expensive wireless headphones simply couldn't provide.
We wanted something powerful enough to create an audiophile-grade listening experience, but simple enough for the whole family to enjoy. Something that untethers you, that allows you more freedom and better range than Bluetooth or RF. And when we couldn't find it,
we decided to build it.
Over the past year, our in-house team has prototyped a working proof of concept, created an elegant, beautiful industrial design, and laid out a development roadmap for finishing the consumer-ready device. We've teamed up with world-class designers and engineers, and lined up suppliers and manufacturing partners capable of producing Ekko to our high standards.
We designed Ekko to complement your existing entertainment accessories. Ekko offers each user individual control over their own listening experience. It was thoughtfully designed to look great in any setting.
Now we're turning to Kickstarter to make Ekko a reality for everyone. By joining us and backing this project, you'll be the first in the world to enjoy Ekko.
We thank you for your support, and we're excited to bring you an amazing product.